James back with 360 and back. In today's short iGuide tutorial, I'm going to go over the featured sheet creator. Normally I would tell you what to type into the knowledge base to find step by step. However, I'm unable to find anything about this. I know iGuide has a video out there on their official YouTube channel, and I'll make sure to add the link below. But for right now, let's just kind of go over it. So when you first receive your iGuide report, you're going to have your links to your virtual tour links, your floor plans, your downloads, and then right here at Tools, you're going to have the featured sheet creator. Now, I must warn you, if you do not have any photos that have been already uploaded to iGuide, this will not work for you. You're going to have to upload photos to your iGuide. So if we did just open this, we'll come up here and it'll say, oops, your gallery is empty. We need pictures in here in order for this to work. So since there's no photos in this one, we're going to go ahead and leave, and we're going to log into our iGuide account. And once you've logged into your iGuide account, you already have pictures uploaded there. If you did not know how to upload photos to your iGuide, I've already made a previous video on that, and I would highly recommend to go and check that out. So once you're in here, you'll just go down to iGuide details. And then on the left-hand side, you'll scroll down and you'll see the feature sheet. Go ahead and select this. And then here you have all the options and all of our wonderful pictures. Okay. So we have a bunch of different layouts. I'm assuming that you already know what a feature sheet is, and all it is just a PDF flyer that you can send out to anybody that's interested in the home. So, and there's a couple things you could do. You can layer them out with all photos. You can do some photos and some floor plans. You can do a big side of floor plans or a small section of floor plans. You really have, quite a few different ways that you can do this. So let's just start with the number one section, which is the photos. These are the photos that you're going to be able to select and have in the place. So number two is going to be the layout. So now you can choose between a 2-page layout or a 4-page layout. Okay. So if you pick 4, this is what it's going to look like. And if you just pick 2, it's just going to have those 2. Okay. The next thing is going to be your font. So you have 2 different font size and your banner background color. So for here, there's a little preview and it's black, and say that we don't like black. So we want it, I don't know, a bluish color. That's what it would look like. You can try it with gray, just whatever colors your preference to. You can choose any of those colors. You can even do white if you wanted to. But right now we'll just leave it a dark gray. Number 3 is going to be the front page design samples. Okay, so you could choose sample number 1 or sample number 2. You don't have to select that right now. You'll select it on step number 5. But here you're just going to make sure that you get your address in there, and then the name of the realtor. Now, if you want to choose a different banner, you can do that right here. Number 3 is going to be the back page design samples. So again, you have 4 different options. You have option number 1, 2, 3, and 4 that you could choose from. And then you could do custom banner image right here. So say that there's 2 people on this, you could put, the first person on one, and then you could put the second person on the back side. You can also do the custom disclaimer if you'd like to do that as well. So number 4 is include floor plans. So you can include the main floor plan or a pool house floor plan. We'll stick with main. So now we're on number 5. Number 5 is select front page design. So what it's talking about is going to number 3, and we're going to pick one or the other. So we go ahead and we can select number 1 if we like that. If we don't, we can select number 2, and then it'll just be one big image with the banner at the bottom. So we can just leave it as number 1 is fine. So now what we want to do is we want to start placing images. So what we can do is, say the first image we want to select is this guy right here. So we'll select it. It's going to have a red border around it. Once that has that, just go ahead and just left click on the place image. And there you go. It's loaded in. Now we're going to do the same thing for these 2 images here on the bottom. So now we want to show off, I don't know, this one. And so we'll click it. We got the red border right there, and we'll just click place image. There you go. Now we have room for one more. And let's do this nice better. So we'll go ahead, click on it, red border, and place image. So now we got all of our images set up. Now we're going to do the back page design. So now we have options 1 through 4, which is on step number 3, 1 through 4. So say that we like number 3, we want to show off the floor plans and all that good. So now the floor plans have been placed. You don't see anything yet, but once we select create the PDF, then it will. So now we're going to do the same thing with place images. So now we're going to find some additional images. That's a nice tile. And I like this front or this back porch. No, it's a front porch. And there you go. So now we've created it. So now what we're going to do is step number 7. Well, you got step number 6, which is local files. So you can, with step 6, adding your own additional images optional. You can load local images files from your disk, such as high resolution images from the file button. So I guess you could upload your local files, but it's better to already have your files already on IGuide. But I mean, really, you can use either way. And if you haven't noticed, here is the how-to step-by-step. So this tells you exactly how to do what we just did. So once you have everything set up, you go ahead and hit number 7, left click, create PDF. And once you've done that, you should see it on the very bottom left-hand side, and you can just go ahead and left click on that. And here we go. We got our very own creator sheet or feature sheet. Gives us our address, who it was done by, those nice pictures. Here's the picture of the floor plan and the other 2 pictures. And then all the contact information right here below. So this is something that you can easily send out to potential buyers or potential, people there in the market, and they can view this. Now, there is something that you should know, and that is with the feature creator sheet. So with the feature sheet, it is a memory-intensive web application that uses new and advanced HTML functionality. Now, not all browsers are made equal. Internet Explorer is not supported. So if you have someone, or if you're using this on Internet Explorer, it's not going to work. Firefox, Chrome, Safari generally work well, which right now we're just using Chrome. On older computers, depending on the size of the IGuide and if the local high-res files are loaded, some browsers may have issues displaying these high-resolution images. The most compatible browser for older computers is going to be Firefox. If you create a PDF and it takes too long, please try to either restart your browser or quit all other apps to free up memory, or you can restart your computer. So this has been a short iGuide tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave me an email, and I hope this answered all your questions. Thanks so much.